Hello guys, we meet again, and on my first and second bond and rigging tutorial, I show you how to create a bond. I help you understanding the function of the bond by using forward kinematic and inverse kinematic technique. But in this is a inverse kinematic technique. You can check the link on box description. But in this third video, I'm gonna show you another technique that have a similar function as bond and rigging, but it's more simple. It's called lattice technique. So first, we will create a box, a cube object, and then I'm gonna rotate the Y to maybe 45 degree, and because we also will add this cube subdivision modifier, so I want to erase all the transformation feature that we add by Control A and choose rotation and scale. Now enter to edit mode and choose face, and I want you to maybe select this face, the front view, and click extrude individual, and drag your mouse like this so it create another face that we select, and then we can make this, and then extrude individual again, maybe like this, and extrude individual again. So I have 1, 2, 3 segments on each side, maybe like that, and then go to object mode and add subdivision surface, change the view to 3, and now I want make this is too sharp, the end of this side is too sharp, so we will go to edit mode and go to edge select mode, mesh. So select this edge first and edge loops, so it will select it the 4 round edges, and Control A again, edge side, and slide to can maybe like this. Apply the same, oops, sorry, I'm gonna save. Apply the same process in this side. It's loops, so Control E, it's slide and pull like this. Again, this side, Control E, loops, Control E again, slide. This, Control E, Control loops, E again, it's like maybe yes, thing like this. Now we will add the lattice feature. This feature is more simpler and easier than the two techniques that I showed you on my previous video. Let's add lattice here, and you can see this transparent wireframe cube. You can maybe put in the middle of the X letter here. And scale. Like this, and we can make this lattice is thinner, so it's easier to handle the vertices. So maybe you can change here 1, and this one 3, and 3. Let's rotate maybe 90. Okay, like this. And we will insert the X letter here to the lattice feature, so we need to add modifier by go to modifier icon here and look for lattice here, and on object you can choose lattice here. And now if you go to edit mode, can try to move this. See, now if you move the vertices here like this, maybe like this, and then you try maybe oops, like this maybe, and maybe this, maybe it's like that. Maybe this, like this maybe. Yes, I like this technique. I also like this technique because it's simple to move the vertices here. You not if you use the first two technique, the SOU, we always have to control P, connect the bone and the object with automatic weight. So this is, I think it's more simpler, but choose whatever you want. If you want a simple method, you can choose this one. I have merged the three object here to one layer, and also I add apply a basic color material and also create a floor object. The material just a basic color, diffuse color. And now I'm gonna show you how to create a volume light. So we will have a source light that will point from the back of the layer of the letter, I mean this letter. So we will change this light to spot here, and I'm gonna rotate so it point like this. This create create the spotlight that the angle will point to the back of the layer. Maybe now I adjust the scene that I want to render, and then choose the energy here, maybe 2, and choose the fill of inverse square here, and distance maybe 25, and look for spot shape here and click on hello, and you can change the size maybe 60 degree, and the blend maybe 0.1, and click on show code like that. Let's see. Okay, now we will try to render. It's too light, the light is too strong, and it's go through your object, letter object, but we will can fix this by go to shadow and choose this buffer shadow, and then choose classic, and this clip start you can maybe 8, or clip end maybe 40, like this. Also, don't forget to change the step value here, maybe to 2. I set this into 2, so the shadow won't get through just get through all this letter, so it will only the result render will only show you a very light white light. So you also can all you have to make sure is all the letter get inside the cone object here. Make sure the size of the cone is can get all the object inside, so when you render you will receive a shadow like this that get through all the letter object. Okay, I think that's it. If you want, maybe we can pull it a little bit. Just play with the, now we have a more dark result. Just play with the distance here, value, and then the clip start, clip end, and the size, the spot shape size here. Okay, thank you for watching, and I see you later. Bye.